Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to check who doesn't follow you back on Instagram. So here in your profile, go to your following, and then what you will do is you will check your followers if they follow you back. So choose any users from your followers or from your following, and then check their following. And then you must appear on the very first one or very first at the list. And then here's an example when a user doesn't follow you back, check their following and you will not appear on the very first of the list. Okay, so that's it. That's how you check who doesn't follow you back on Instagram. Hope this guys helped you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.